In this brief tutorial, we're going to try and discuss how the hot folder mapping works with a little bit more practical detail. And we're also going to take a quick look at how the allocation of products to different hot folders might work as well. So this is following on from a previous tutorial where we went into the Infigo settings in greater detail and had a look at the hot folders and print locations and where to create our hot folders. Now, something else that we covered in that same tutorial was the mapping of those hot folders. So this page here, which gives you a set of optional mappings where you can select one or multiple different mapping elements, which will direct certain things towards that hot folder. What we also showed within the Infigo settings there's a few settings here which allow you to auto copy to hot folder, and you can choose the type of products that are automatically copied when an output is detected. So what we're going to do in this little presentation here is just try and give 3 practical examples with the help of the flowchart. So what we have here is 3 products that we'll go through, and those products need to be assigned to a hot folder. Now what we're going to look at is that product's journey through this particular system, and we'll see how they get allocated into the hot folders. So just for completeness, we have 6 different hot folders allocated between 2 print locations, and we have a few product types which are set to copy. So only print on demand and variable type products are set to copy into the hot folder. All others are set to not copy into the hot folder automatically. So starting off with product 1, this is a print on demand or a static PDF product, and there's a product tag, which is tag number 1, and it's assigned to a category, which is category number 1. Now the first step here is to see if that product type is actually copied. So it's a print on demand product that is set to copy. So we pass that gate. Next, we need to establish how many mapping parameters that particular product or the output from that product has with the different hot folders. So we'll take a little look at all of the different hot folders, and it will see how many mapping parameters it has in common. From there, if there's only one hot folder which has the most mapping parameters in common, then the system knows that's where the output for that particular product needs to go. So in this scenario, product number 1 has gone to print location 1 and hot folder 3. Next, looking at product number 2. Now, product number 2 is a variable type product with a product tag of tag 2 and a category of category 1. So again, first of all, we check if that product type is copied at all, and we can see that it is, so we pass that gate. We then take a look at all of the hot folder mapping properties. And in this case, we can see that there's multiple hot folders which reach the same number of mapping properties. So there are 3 potential hot folders there which all have the same maximum number of properties. When this scenario occurs, the system will randomly allocate the output of that particular product to one of those hot folders. Finally, we have product number 3. This is a multi-part product with a product tag of tag 1 and a category of category 1. As always, we'll start by trying to go and check whether that product type is actually set to copy. And in this case, we can see that it isn't. So that means the process stops here. The output from product 3 does not get dropped into any of the hot folders.